going on, boys? It's April 11th. Tomorrow's Easter, Friday night. We're heading back here to try to roost one. Got one of my buddies with me. He's not hunting tomorrow. Well, he is hunting, but not with me. Taking my little brother out, so gonna walk down here and see if we can roost one. My dad said he heard one gobbling down here earlier, so we should hear him. Let's go see if we can put one to bed, kill him tomorrow. What do you say? Let's go.
Yes, sir.
He's hammering, boys. Alright, good morning, guys. It's finally here. We're ready to roll. Turkey vest on. Everything ready? Trying to wake up. It's like 5:15, something like that right now. We're plenty early. We're gonna roll back in there, set up one of these birds. Try to call them in. Let's go. Alright, boys. Set up. Decoys out and everything. They're hammering. I haven't even called to. It's early. Yes! Yes!
Yes! Also got your target.
Let's freaking go, baby! It's okay. That's okay. You smoked him, dude. Stand on his head. Get on his head. Get on his head. Don't let him get away. Get on his head, Jesse. Show him his boss, Jesse. Yeah, stand there. Oh my gosh. Let's freaking go. Alright, I guess I'll have to do it. Let's freaking go! He destroyed my decoy too, with the bullet.
When he finally decided to come in, he immediately came in.
Yeah, he came straight into the decoy as soon as the other Tom showed up. Stop. Hey, let's not do that. This guy. 2-year-old probably. Alright guys, we got some good pictures and stuff. Just what, probably 9-inch beard probably. Just little 2-year-old spurs, but I mean a perfect first bird ever. Let's go, good job. Absolutely put the smack down on him. Crazy morning, we had turkeys everywhere. So what happened, one of them came into right there at 20 yards, just strutted around. He was with a hen, but he couldn't get far enough left. That's what that bird was earlier. So he went behind us, and then this lone gobbler started gobbling out there. He just gobbled for a long time right there in the field, and then another gobbler came, and they both headed straight to the decoy. Insane. Insane. Absolutely awesome. Youth season bird. Put one leg over one shoulder and the other over the other. There you go. Perfect. Let's go. Alright boys, sorry this is going to kind of switch from one hunt to the other. I got my brother on a bird early morning. It was like 7:45 when he shot him, and I immediately switched over, tried to get one of my buddies on a bird. Well, I was just kind of filming him actually. He's 15, almost 16, so he's a good hunter already.
Come here, boy. Thank you! Kill. Come on. It's a double beard. Oh, heck yeah! Okay, you gotta kill.
Here, I'll take your gun.
You kill. Don't ruin your fan!
Get him under control.
Don't ruin your fan. Don't ruin your fan.
That's a good bird. It's got a long ass beard.
It's a 2-year-old dude.
Bro, no way. Look at the beard.
A long ass beard, dude. Bro, this feels wrong shooting one this late in the day.
Dude, he snuck all the way up in that Milo. Bro, that is insane.
How did he not see us?
Bro, you couldn't even get him out of his strut. You had to yell at him to get him out of his strut.
Come here, boy.
Heck yes.
Did you get a good on video?
Well, it was really, there was spotty. Like, I would see him, I would see his head, then I wouldn't see his head. I'm pretty sure you could see his head and then the head just went down as soon as he shot.
I'm trying to see, I wonder if there's Usain. Cause
It's a public land bird is all I know.
yeah.
That sucker. Okay guys, kind of clearing this up. I hope my mic's good. I just watched the video back. My mic kind of screwed up right before he shot him, but he had to, yeah. Anyway, I'll get to that. So, there's a big green trail on the other side of this Milo. These turkeys were up there, so we decided to get in the Milo and sneak up here because he would gobble but not come into the call. So, we just snuck down the center of that. And by that time they had work down here, and we look up one of the rows and he's crossing, and it was like 5 Jakes and this Tom, and we were like, I was up there, we both stood up and I was up there trying to get on the right one, trying to figure out which one it is. And the Jakes all kind of made their way. I thought it was over. He just pops in a strut right here. I guess he couldn't see us. And then it took Chris a while to get him out of a strut. Like, he was doing everything to try to get him out of a strut, and he made him gobble one time. And then finally he was like, come here, boy! And he popped out of a strut and he popped him. I think I got some decent footage, so don't get much better than this. 2 turkeys in one day. Also check this out. Well, yeah, he got a youth hunter on a bird this morning.
As a youth hunter.
Well, yeah, I guess you both weren't. I mean, he's got a triple beard. But anyway, like, you were both youth hunters with your hunter safety course card, right? Yeah. When do you turn 16?
May 11th. The day
Holy
the season
crap.
ends.
So this is definitely your last youth season bird.
Yup.
I'm just so good at getting youth on turkeys.
Ain't no way you just said that.
Hey, we
Alright,
put in
boys,
the work.
I've been going at it since daylight this morning. But we got 2 birds on the ground. And that'll do it for this video.
Bye.
Pretty much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for killing a bird for me. Should we
Peace
go?
out.
I might be. Never mind. That'll be for the next video.
Well,